Yeah, so we're here in the Vital Limits hunting trailer, putting the Cooper Hunter mini split all done. We used half-inch rubberized expansion for concrete for the little rubber mats for this. So you got to make some adjustments. I got to mount the battery on. So there she is. Some space behind here. Just got done installing the indoor unit for the Vital Limits hunt trailer. I got some leaks to fix though next round. That's done fairly. That thing's next. Right here, had to remove the Lawan board that was underneath. They had the screws in between the aluminum roof and the cross members because it was rotted. And that's how it's rolling so far. That's going to get fixed better when it stops raining. A little bit more to do on this. It's supposed to be no rain today from the weather forecast, but it didn't work out that way. Have a few little leaks in here, but we're not sealed on the outside yet. We just basically put the wand in there, fixed up the rotted wood. Not too worried about this. I'm running the diesel heater here that came in and dry up just what got rained on while we were working. And next dry day, I'll put this, I'm going to do Eternal Bond tape all down the seam, which should cut all the leaking out. It's coming in, or any leaking out from there, but that's about what's going to happen.